Imagine applying your brakes and nothing happens. Have you thought about what could stop you from being in that nightmare? Regular inspection and testing of your brakes is essential for your safety, and the key to efficient braking is matching your driving style with the right brake pad formulation. Selecting the correct pad type for your vehicle comes down to whether you drive country or freeway, off-road or through steep terrain, or if you are towing heavy loads or do a lot of stop-start driving. Brake pads can last from 15,000 up to 70,000 kilometres, but Australia's high temperatures can cause premature wear. You may need heavier duty, temperature-resistant brake pads if yours aren't going the distance. Some brake noise is normal, but if you hear loud squealing, grinding or banging, your brakes definitely need attention. If your vehicle shakes, vibrates or pulsates when the brakes are applied, it could be that the disc brake rotors may need resurfacing. Repco Authorised Service centres recommend that rotors are machined if they exhibit disc thickness variation, severe scoring, warping or heat damage. You'll get the best service from the best heads in the business, local professionals with the nationwide backing of the biggest name in the automotive industry. And that's an auto fact.